guys, this is Kyo. Oh my god, today is the day. If you already have seen our announcement video that we are going to Malaysia, and today is the day. We are going to Malaysia to celebrate Eid Mubarak and our finally wedding ceremony. I cannot say anymore how much excited and nervous I am right now. But somebody is not really excited and nervous as much as I think, because she is sleeping like a sleeping beauty right now. Look at this beauty. Look at this beautiful face. Look at this controller with apocalyptic word. But even controller is disconnected. Okay, so I decided to do some little prank on her. Okay, I actually saw this prank on Gina Natty, one of our favorite YouTuber. So the prank goes like this. I'm gonna set the time like we missed the flight. I will be like screaming, we missed the flight, and then see how she reacts. He's still sleeping, so this is the clock. Okay, we have at least wake up at 3 a.m. We have to ride our bus at 5. So I'm gonna set the clock to 6 a.m. Okay, let's go. Okay, beautiful time. Now I have OCD. This should be correct. Angle should be correct. Oh my god, I cannot stand this. Oh my god, okay. Perfect. Okay. Okay, let's change this one too. Here we go. Let's have a time machine. 6. Now it's the time. Okay, let's go.
Baby, wake up. Wake up. Baby, wake up. We missed our bus. Look at the time, baby. Look at the time. We missed our bus, baby. Look at the time. Action! 5. Look at the time, baby. Wake up. Oh my god, our control. Wake up.
Why don't you tell me?
Oh, sorry. I wake up late too. Sorry. I'm sorry. Wake up. We need to ride a taxi to the airport, baby.
Let's go.
But I'm not prepared. I'm not really prepared, baby. I didn't wear my suit, baby.
Baby,
Oh no.
I really wanna go.
We're gonna go
Why
there.
did you call me?
Okay, I didn't know. We're gonna go there. I'm gonna make us go there, okay? Okay, you believe me.
So why you record me now?
Because it's a prank. Because it's a prank. See what time it is.
What?
You said you're gonna wake all night. You said you're gonna wake up all night. Why did you sleep?
I really wanna go.
I know. You said you will not sleep. You said you're not going to sleep, baby.
I don't know. I should laughing or angry right now. I'm like, really? Why do you do this to me?
Come on, look at the time. Do you want to know what time it is? Okay. We still have about like 5 more hours. Oh my god.
So you happy?
Yeah, I'm so happy.
Why do you do this? My heart is breaking. I thought I never can go anymore.
Maybe you almost broke our PlayStation 4 controller.
So you care about that, then you broke my heart.
Your heart is something biological, so it can be recovered, but PlayStation 4 is something material. I mean, like, okay, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, come on, here.
No.
Come on.
I don't want your sorry.
Come here.
I don't know. My heart
Look at-
is rating so high right now.
Look at this. We already packed everything here. See? Come on. It's just fun prank.
But my heart is so fast right now. I'm so shocked.
I'm sorry, baby. Say something to our viewers. People are waiting for, like.
Really?
It's just a small prank. It's not small. Okay, I'm sorry. Don't look at me like that.
But my eyes is red. Just Make me so shocked. Really? Like, why?
Okay, so if you like the prank, please like the video and also poop the like button.
No.